Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change Windows 10 Spotlight background images. By default, set background wallpaper in your Windows 10 Spotlight. When you power off or restart your Windows 10, you can see this screen in your devices. If you don't want to by default Windows Spotlight wallpaper, tap on like what you see. Here you can see default wallpaper. Tap on not a fan if you want to see new wallpaper on next time you restart your devices, or if you like then like it to continue show these pictures from list. Tap not a fan. Now restart or power off your device. You can see change spotlight wallpaper. Again tap on it, not a fan. Wait, and you can see new wallpaper in your Windows PC.